good morning dear kids. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn the grammar topic. It is modals. It's known as auxiliaries. Before start the modals, read this sentence. First, you must respect elders. Second, Rahul should help his friends. In these sentences, here are the must, should, these are the modals. This verb, it is known as modals. It has the another, you can call them auxiliaries, auxiliary verb. Okay, let us see. English has two kinds of verbs. First, primary auxiliaries. Second, modal auxiliaries. Let us see the first primary auxiliaries are as follows. To be formed, the different forms are am, is, are, was, were. We will see the example. Let us see the example of I am a girl. Here am. It is to be formed am. He was absent yesterday. Was. The team of players were playing together, playing kabaddi. Sangeeta. Here full stop. Next. Sangeeta is plucking flowers. Is. See this primary helping verbs. Am, was, were, is. I use here. It is known as primary auxiliary verbs. Next, children has done their work. First, second, third, fourth. Children has done their work. Next, my family and my friends have visited the Amber Fort. Here is the primary auxiliaries are has form, have and has. These has and have are primary auxiliary verbs. We have seen these helping verbs in regular sentences, but today we are going to learn the modals. To do, the different forms are do, does, did, done, doing. He is doing his work. They have done their work. They did. These are do's different forms. To have's form here has, have, had. So these forms are called primary auxiliaries. Let us see the modals. Modals do not change form. Modals here do not change the form. See the example. Which are the modals here? Modal auxiliaries are as follows. Can, will, could, would, may, shall, might, should, must. Here are 9 modal auxiliaries. Let us see how we use to the modals. First, can it is used for ability, permission and possibility. See the example. I can drive a car. It is in this sentence, I can drive a car shows the ability. Someone knows how to drive the car. That's why he is telling I can drive a car. Next, can you take a seat here? It's a permission. Can you take a seat here? Someone is telling to someone, can you take a seat here? Without permission you can't do it. So it is used as a question. We can use the can for the question. Next, you can climb the Everest. You can climb the Everest. If someone is mountaineer who knows how to climb, that is someone is support to him, you can climb the Mount Everest. He has the ability, that's why it is used. You can do it means. Okay. Next, could. It use possibility, ability and request. He could take a chance to join the team. He could take a chance, join the team. It's a ability. They could go home early. Yes, if it is possible, they could go home. So, it is used as a possibility. Third, the tiger could be anywhere by now. In this sentence, the tiger it could be anywhere in this time. It shows the possibility. Maybe the cloud tiger could be here anytime, anywhere in this time. Right now time someone is telling, that's why could we can use, or could it is shows the possibility. Fourth, could you give me some time? It's a request. Here could use as a question and shows the request in that sentence. Next, may. We use may to show the possibility, permission, possibility, or probability. You may use to show the probability. Probability means to guess. You can guess a possible. Permission, possibility. See the example. You may not get a chance to perform. Perhaps. Probability. Otherwise you can guess. You may not get a chance. So this sentence shows the probability. My cat may be hungry. My cat is hungry. That is, it shows the also possibility. You can guess here. Possibility. Probability. Next, you may go home today. It's permission. You may go. It may rain this evening. It shows the possibility. Fifth, may I come in? It is used for the permission. May I come in, ma'am? You can say. You use this word while you are getting class. That time you are taking the permission. May I come in, ma'am? May I come in, sir? Like this. Next, might. Next model is might. You can use it for probability. You can guess, possibility, and chance. See the example. He might help you with your science project. Someone is guessing and telling he might be help you with your science projects. Second, this medicine might cure you. This medicine, it can possible this medicine would cure you. Cure means you can get better when you take the medicine. You feel better. Next, you might post this later. Someone is, it possible he or she can post the letter. That's why telling you might post this letter. Fifth, must. It is used for compulsory, mandatory, obligation, necessity. See the example. The government must control the crime. Yes, it's a necessity. Government must control the crime. Second, you must be very smart. Must he make a compensation? So, must it is used as a question. You can use it is as for the question. Must he make a compensation? Must he make a reward or giving a reward to someone? Next, 6. Will. It is you can use for the possibility, habit, promise. First, they will find an answer to the question. Yes, they will find an answer to the question. It is shows they can do it. So it is used for will. It is used for possibility. Next, he will give the same reason always. Here will it is shows it has the habit. Next, the farmers will sow the seeds after the rain. Yes, this may be possible if the rain will come there, the farmers will sow the seeds. Next, 7. Would. It is used for possibility, request, wish. First, the player would never give up in between. Never. It's a possible. Players will not or never give up in between. They will not give up. Means they will not lose themselves, lose their confidence. Second, I wish she would be here today. I wish she would be here today. It shows the possibility or wish, used to wish. Next, would you mind helping me to board a train? Would you mind? It is used for question or request. Would you mind helping me to board a train? If you don't mind, you can help me to board a train. Next, shall. It is used for command, order, sure, promise, request. See the example. I shall solve the case within a minute. So, it shows sureness in this sentence. I shall meet you on Tuesday. It's a promise. Shall it is used for to show the promise. We shall have a party. We shall have a party. Shows here sureness. Shall I wait for you here? It's a request. Shall it is used as a question place. So it is a request. Last model it is should. It is used for compulsory, mandatory and determination. First example, see, they should find a solution. They should. It's a compulsory. Second, the children should respect teachers. It's a mandatory. They should respect their elders. It's a mandatory means here compulsory or mandatory. Next, third, we should work hard. It shows this is mandatory. Okay, it's a compulsory. You can say it is compulsory. We should work hard. It shows shows here compulsory to everyone. They have to do work hard.